Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Reboot World token. Ticker symbol is RBT. Now it was just announced that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting March 18th at 9 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Gate. Now, Gate is not available in everyone's country, so we're going to go over a couple different ways you can get this token. But the first one is you could download Gate from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on gate.io on your PC. Go into the trade section on March 18th and search the ticker symbol RBT, and then you would trade your USDT. You would have to fund your account first with USDT, and then trade your USDT for the RBT token in the spot trading zone on Gate. So you could do that starting March 18th. Around the same time, this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. It is not listed on Uniswap yet, but it will be around the same time it gets listed on Gate. So you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for the Reboot World token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, reboot.world. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. Hopefully it talks about that on their page. So it says 2 holders. It's not available anywhere yet, so you'll have to stay up to date and find out the exact listing date for this project by following their socials, which you could find on their webpage, reboot.world. Now, there's a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. ERC20 token, you can find them on Etherscan. It says 2 holders, 18 decimal places. And yeah, so their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. If you follow that, they're going to keep you up to date on listing announcements at reboot.world. So reboot.world. It says Reboot World is the first omni-chain open-nested metaverse of AIGC and MRGC, modularized, powered by EigenLayer, integrated with Solana, Arbitrum, and EVMs. And then they have a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. 105 tweets so far, 8,721 followers. And so they have on their link tree Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, webpage, NFT giveaway, and news articles. So all sorts of cool stuff there. And then you can find all the links on their webpage as well, Discord group if you want to join that. So yeah, the first omni-chain generative metaverse. Reboot World equals digital assets plus generative AI plus metaverse. And they have metaverse involving New York. So they show you different cities basically within their like kind of cartoon metaverse. They have New York, United States, London, United Kingdom, Tokyo, Japan, Cairo, Egypt, etc. Create, build, explore for the Web3 economy. What is Reboot World? Well, Reboot World is the first omni-chain open-nested metaverse. And they have the MRGC, the AIGC. Players can map physical assets to digital assets in the form of NFTs, upload them to an all-in-one marketplace, and integrate them into games with game makers. Data availability powered by Solana, or integrated with Solana and Arbitrum, and all EVMs. So they have the layer 3 parallel world, the layer 2 virtual world, layer 1 the mirror world, and layer 0 is the physical world. Modularized, powered by EigenLayer. And so how do we do it? We create the Reboot world by 3-phase evolution, built by users for users. So number 1, they have the Dawnland. From physical world to mirror world, based on generative AI and stable diffusion algorithms, launching a mapping framework on blockchain for physical world mirroring purpose. The first layer is the one-to-one high-definition mirror of the original physical world. Users can use mobile or professional devices with the Reboot mapping engine to build a mirror world. They also have Odyssey, from mirror world to virtual world, launching a cross-chain marketplace and attracting general crypto and metaverse builders. The second layer is a virtual world for Reboot natives. Users can buy lands, create avatars and assets for future activities and creativities with Reboot Studio. They also have the Perisphere, from virtual world to parallel world, launching Reboot world in a virtual environment for users around the world. The third layer is the place, where physical reality and virtual reality can merge parallelly, and natives can create, trade, work, play, socialize, and thrive. In the lingo, this imaginary place is known as the metaverse. Hyro spends a lot of time in the metaverse, and this is from a quote from Neil Stevenson. The key features are the MetaFi, Metaverse Finance. They have the AIGC, and they also have the SIVE protocol. Reboot core team will initiate a dedicated mapping technology called SIVE protocol to realize a community-owned and fully open high-definition map of Earth. Interesting. So they go over the whole technical architecture, the tech stack. They have the Reboot map, the Reboot Studio, the Reboot Marketplace, and they have the Tokenomics. So basically the token can be used for accessing the Reboot platform, create and earn incentives, payment currency and Reboot economy, governance, and free capture model. You can subscribe to a newsletter, check out all their socials, check out their white paper. But yeah, this token will be listed on Gate starting March 18th. ERC20 token that will be eventually going over to Uniswap around the same time. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.